This video guides you through 5 effective data recovery methods for Infinix phones, reclaiming what's rightfully yours. Way 1. How to recover data from an Infinix phone trash folder. Launch the Photos app on your device. Tap on Library at the bottom, choose Recently Deleted, browse through the items and select the ones you want to recover. Tap Restore at the bottom of the screen. Way 2. How to restore data from Infinix Phone via Google account. Open the Google Contacts app on your Infinix Phone. Navigate to the Fix and Manage tab and select Restore Contacts. Choose your device and tap the Restore option. Restore media files using Google Drive. Open Google Drive and tap the menu icon. Go to Trash to locate the deleted files. Select the files you wish to restore and tap the Restore option. Way 3. How to access deleted files in Infinix from PC backup. Connect phone to PC via USB. Tap USB notification on phone. Select File Transfer. Open device storage on PC. Open DSIM folder. Transfer photos to PC. Open backup folder on PC. Transfer data to phone. Way 4. How to regain deleted files from Infinix Phone via SD card backup. Power off Infinix Phone. Insert SD card correctly. Power on the phone. Open File Manager. Go to SD card section. Find Backup folder. Follow instructions to choose SD card. Select Backup files to restore. Way 5. How to recover deleted data from Infinix Phone without backup. You can still try the ultimate solution, recovering lost data from your Infinix Phone directly via Mobican Doctor for Android. Before using this tactic, it is recommended that you stop using your phone. How to transfer and recover data for Infinix using Mobican Doctor for Android. Step 1. Initiate the software install and launch the program on your computer after the free download. Step 2. Scan for deleted or existing files. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the program to recognize your phone. Step 3. Restore deleted Infinix data. You can then preview all the deleted items and associated information in the right-hand window.